While you are cooking, place the lid into your oven to sterilize. Once the cooking process is complete, remove tray directly from oven. Place tray on MULTI.Day Hot Vacuum pump. Position sterile lid on tray with silicone seal down. Place the MULTI.Day pump over the center located pressure release valve. Press start button to activate the pump. The LED light will change from white to green once vacuum has been achieved. If the vacuum has not been achieved, the LED light will change from white to red. Place the labeled vessel into EVEREO. Select the appropriate EVEREO program. Select the mode in which you want to work. In this case, it will be multi-day. Select New Program. Select appropriate program for your food or item being placed into EVEREO. Select the starting temperature of the food. In this case, the food starting point is over 57 degrees Celsius. Press Start. Select tray locations on Control Panel. Only UNOX multi-day bags are designed to hold hot food in EVEREO for up to 75 hours. Select the mode in which you want to work. In this case, it will be multi-day. Select New Program. Select the appropriate program for your food or item being placed into EVEREO. Select the starting temperature of the food. In this case, the starting point will be between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius. Press Start. Select the tray location on your control panel. Only UNOX multi-day trays can be used in the MULTI.Day Hot Vacuum pump system. These trays are available in a Gastron full size 1:1 or a half Gastron tray size with available depths of 100mm or 40mm. The MULTI.Day Hot Vacuum nozzle does not need to be supervised while in operation. Wearing rubber gloves and goggles, spray UNOX spray and rinse on the steel parts of the multi-day pump. Remove softened residue with a soft sponge. Rinse thoroughly with a damp cloth to remove any traces of detergent. Dry with clean cloth or kitchen roll. To clean the nozzle and the rubber suction cup, immerse the sleeve into the detergent solution, holding it at an angle. Press and hold the start button for 5 seconds to start the cleaning cycle. To rinse the nozzle, replace the cleaning solution in the tray with 1.5 litres of clean water. Perform at least 2 rinse cycles, pressing and holding the button down for 5 seconds to start the cleaning cycle. Through your web browser, search for ddc.unox.com, create your own user profile or log in with your existing credentials. Thank you to UNOX DDC, you will have access to all your UNOX connected devices. For example, if we add EVEREO, we can check its operating status and data. You can download the latest firmware, material safety data sheets, technical data, and user manuals. By downloading and registering your profile on the UNOX MULTI.Day app, then connect the hot vacuum pump following the instructions. You can then check the activity log of your MULTI.Day hot vacuum pump. Through the MULTI.Day app, you will be able to download your data and further documentation.